welcome back to the Australian Flight Channel. And now we're at Adelaide International, and we're in the Boeing 737-800 Pacific Airlines version. So when we're going to take off, we're going to encounter some very bad situations, and I'll tell you what those are when we get to those situations. And we only have limited options for those situations. So let's get right into it. And this is a voiceover, just letting you know. There we go. We're taking off. Positive climb, gear up. Now I was going on with my flight plan, and I have to turn. Here you go. Whoa, my goodness. Engine 1 failed. Okay. Failure engine 1. Complete flame out. Okay. Then you're going to head for a nearby airport. Let's see our choices. We've got Edinburgh, but since we just took off, and they're pretty high, so we won't be able to make it to Edinburgh, which is right there. We're going to have to make it to that airport down there. And it's very surprising, immediately after takeoff when you have an engine failure. I used a bit of my rudder trim to help me out with this, because when you have engine failure, it's like unequal, so you can use the rudder trim, to turn the rudder, so you don't have to turn the rudder manually, and then the side will be equal. Okay, so now I'm gonna have to go through a series of turns to line up with the runway. Again! Engine failure, engine 2. Now we're a glider. Okay. This is a very big emergency. Now we have to land there definitely. And if we don't make the runway first time, there's no chance that this powerless aircraft can go around for a second try. Now, we are pretty fast since we just took off, so I'm going to have to use the spoilers to slow me down, like here. So how this works is it cuts the airflow, causing a loss of speed. So please slowing down. And the cockpit is going to be, once I go through 1,000 feet, the cockpit is going to blare out sirens and warnings. Because I just took off and there was a dual engine failure. So what do you expect?
Sink rate. Pull up. Pull up.
See? So landing gears down, preparing for landing. Push the nose up and then down again. Up and down again. I did this to regain speed. Also regain altitude as well. Speed and altitude, very hard to control. Coming in for a landing. There we go. Touchdown. Nicely done. And because of the no thrust, because dual engine failure, there are no thrust reversers to slow down the aircraft. So the only chance we have is to brake very hard. And spoilers, of course. And then I come to a stop. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.